The media roles that you provide to your customers are created by going to Supplies, Media Role Setup. Here you'll see all the media roles that have been configured in your account. You can create, edit, or delete roles from this page. When you're creating a new media role, it must have a unique SKU. If you plan to integrate Printerpoint with a fulfillment system, it's important to use the same SKU in both systems. Make sure the name of your role is well defined, because this name will appear on supply orders, printer details, and, if enabled, the customer portal. If you have multiple types of similar paper, make sure the role names are descriptive. Some dealers prefer to include the brand name if they use manufacturer SKUs in their fulfillment system and order from different vendors. You should create a role for each size of a particular media that you carry: 24 by 150, 36 by 150, 18 by 200, etc. Even if you include the size of the roll in the description, it is very important to also define the width and the length of the roll. Printerpoint uses these values to know how much of each roll is left and which roll to decrement from when a print job happens. Sometimes media rolls are sold in multi-roll packs. For example, if you ship 24 by 150 rolls in a 2-pack, the length of the roll here should be doubled because the SKU represents 300 feet of paper instead of 150 feet. The notes field is optional, but useful to tag multi-roll packs, define core sizes, or any other information you might want to include. Lastly, we need to alias at least one media name to the roll. What you call a roll of paper may be very different from what the printer reports. For example, 20-pound bond might show up on the printer as HP Universal Bond or plain paper. This is defined when the media profiles are set up on the printer. In a perfect world, this would match the names you have in your inventory, but the printing world is rarely perfect. So, we need to tell Printerpoint which media names will match your media roles. In many cases, you can just search the media list by manufacturer or media name and select the names that you know will match. The list of aliases is created by looking at every print job that has gone through any printer in your Printerpoint account. You can always edit the aliases after the fact, so don't get hung up on this section too much. Once you've configured the media role, click Save to create it.